Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. So in this video we'll solve some exercises on functions to get in-depth and strong understanding of working with functions. So let us start with the very first exercise. What I want you to do is that given a list of numbers, you have to find the sum of all the numbers. So let us go back to our editor. So if we have the following list of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the function should return 15 as the output. So I would highly recommend you to pause the video and try this on your own first, and then we will solve it together. So let us comment the entire code that we have written in the previous videos and let us solve this. So what I will do is I will define a function and I will name it as getTotal, and this will receive the numbers as the argument, and let us invoke the function right here. So I'll pass on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let us now inside the function define a variable total and set that to 0. Let us iterate over the numbers list that you are getting as an argument, which is a list of course, and you can iterate over that using a for loop. So I can say for number in numbers, and we'll learn about the for loops in the video on iteration. So if you're not aware about the concept of loops, the link for the video on loops can be found down below. So for each number in the list of numbers that you have, you will add that number to your total. So you say total plus equal number, and then finally you will return the total from the function. On invoking the function, you will get some result and you can store that in a variable. So I will say result, and let us print the result here. So print result, and let us run the file. So you can see we are getting 15 for your list. So you know 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, and 14 plus 1 is 15. So you're getting the correct answer. So this answers the very first exercise. So now to complicate the question a bit, let us work with a list of products where each product is a dictionary. Now given a list of products you bought, and I want you to find out the total amount that you have to pay, given that tax on each product is 4% of the price of the product. You have to define a function for that, and your function should have some well-defined name so that what the function does is mostly conveyed by its name. Each product is a dictionary. As you can see, this is the typical structure of how a product should look like. So it should have a name property, like here we have Nintendo 3DS and the price for that. So you can pause the video and solve it before you continue. Now let me define the solution for this exercise. So first I will define list of products, and within which we have a dictionary for each product. So it will have multiple key value pairs. So we'll have a name property and set that to shoes, and then we'll have the price for that product. So 164.99, and let us copy this, paste it, and the second product will be laptop, and let us change the price to 567.44, and for the third product I will name it as TV 745.55, and the fourth product as Nintendo 3DS. So Nintendo 3DS, and let us write the price for this. So 545.55. So this is a list of products where each product is a dictionary with key value pairs, name and price. So as we know that for each product we have to apply 4% tax. So let us define the function compute bill, and this will receive the list of products, which will pass in just a minute. And I will again define a total variable and set that to 0. So the first thing you need to do is you need to iterate over the list of dictionaries and grab the price for each product and sum it over the entire list of dictionaries, or list of products to be precise, to get the total. And we'll simultaneously update the total once we see a product. Okay, so I will say for product in the list of products, each such product is a dictionary, and we have to access the price property of that. So we can access the price of each product using the key price, and this we have already seen in the video on dictionaries. If you are not aware of how to work with dictionaries, the link for that video can be found down below. So I will say total plus, so I'll update the total. I will access the price for each product, and then I will apply the tax on the price of each product, multiply that with 4%, add that to the price of the product, and this will give us the total that we get for the first product. And then we will move forward to the second product, update our total, move forward to the third product, update our total, and move forward to the last product, update our total. So now once we are done with the totaling over the entire list, let us return the total from the function. So down here I will return the total, and to finally get the bill amount, I can define a variable bill amount and run the function compute bill, pass on the list of products, and now let us print the bill amount to the terminal, and let us run the file now. So now you can see we are getting a bill amount of 2104.4712. So this was a small video where we practiced functions. We will see more on functions in coming videos with more exercises. So if you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon for all upcoming uploads, and I will see you guys in the very next video.